Rising Kids with Skills. Welcome, kids. Today we are going to learn action words with sentences. Let's start. Run. She runs every morning. Jump. They jump over hurdles. Swim. He swims across the lake. Climb. She climbs tall mountains. Play. He plays football daily. Open. He opens the door. Close. She closes the window. Drink. He drinks cold water. Clean. He cleans the room. Laugh. He laughs very loudly. Kick. He kicks the ball. Dance. They dance with joy. Write. She writes a poem. Sing. She is singing a song. Read. He reads a book. Walk. He walks every morning. Cook. She cooks delicious meals. Build. She builds sand castles. Ride. They ride bicycles fast. Throw. He throws the ball. Catch. He catches a ball. Drive. He drives the car. Cut. He cuts the bark. Paint. He paints colorful landscapes. Carry. They carry heavy bags. Wash. She washes the dishes. Shout. They shout in excitement. Whisper. He whispers a secret. Dig. She digs the garden. Hug. He hugs his mother. Push. She pushes the stroller. Pull. They pull the rope. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.